Every time I spend lesser time in the kitchen to make easy recipes like this, it's always amazing because they always turn out to be the most delicious one. This is a very simple, easy one pot steak pasta, and I'm sure you will love this recipe because, like, this was a day that I needed nothing but a fast meal. I have workers in my house, there's a construction going on everywhere. At this point, I don't have kitchen. I had to fix myself as a foodie somewhere to enable me cook whenever I am ready to do one. And this is not the time to make any complicated meal. So I came up with this easy recipe or easy pasta meal, one pot meal. I have my steak in the fridge. You can use any protein to make this meal. So I'm going for ribeye steak. This was a frozen one. I just defroze, cut them just like this, season with salt and pepper. I also season with some Dijon mustard. You can go for any of your favorite steak spice. It is up to you. Then I will add in some amount of oil to a pan. Let it get hot and brown my steak. I didn't overdo that, okay, because ribeye steak is not a long cooking steak. So when you are done, achieve a nice brown steak, scoop it aside, add in some olive oil to a pan. Introduce your sliced onion. Do not mind the quantity of my onion. Please go for lesser one if that's what you want. I love onion. I also went in with some garlic ginger paste. You want to saute all that together. Bring in your tomato. I went for a canned chopped tomato. Now introduce that and let it cook. On the other side, we'll make our pasta. Bring a pot of water to a boil. Add in your pasta, season with some amount of salt, and let it cook for not more than 2 to 3 minutes. Now you will season your tomato while our pasta is cooking. Season your tomato sauce with some pepper, some salt, bouillon powder, stir together and bring your pasta direct from the pot in your tomato sauce pot. You don't want to strain your pasta first to let it get cold before introducing it here. It's a no. For me, anyway, it's a no. So direct from your cooking pot in your tomato sauce pot. Now add in some pasta water and stir everything together. So if you are still not satisfied, continue to add in pasta water. Now, while you season your tomato sauce, be very careful of a salt, okay, because our pasta water already contains salt, okay. So I will bring back our steak, stir together. I love the texture. So if you're still not satisfied, keep adding pasta water until you get your go. And that's it, guys. I went in with some olive oil, okay, for that fresh olive oil taste. I added some sliced leek and green pepper. Now, this is it, guys. This is all I needed for those days. But let me be honest with you, even as I make this voiceover, I don't think you want to be in my shoe because it's a very, very stressful day. And this was all I needed. And this was everybody, the workers, everyone enjoyed this meal. It was super delicious. The moment I added the chopped leek and the green pepper, not the hot green pepper, okay? Just turn off the heat and you are ready to go. Very simple. To that, you want to pair with any of your favorite salad. Again, I am going for the easiest option. Some arugula salad and some cabbage. I marinated with some olive oil, some dark balsamico vinegar, salt, and pepper. Stir everything together once again, and it is ready. So I hope you enjoy watching this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you haven't already done so. That will go a long way for this channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do so. Amazing recipes are coming. You wouldn't want to miss out. Please hit the subscribe button and join this family. Thank you so much, guys. Share with your loved ones. Leave your opinion in the comment section. And as always, if I have any means of plating, I will plate. Even if it wasn't the perfect time to plate today, I just did it and we are good to go. Look at that, guys. It looks super delicious. Thank you all for still watching and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.